Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Simple. Today we are going to solve problem on simplest form of fraction using division method. So what is simplest form? Let's take one fraction, let's say 60 upon 45. So if we have to find out the simplest form of same, that means what we need to do, we have to divide 60 and 45. Our numerator is 60 and denominator is 45. We need to keep dividing both of them by their common factor till there is no other factor than 1 for them. So let's say if we just write down simply here 4 upon 5. Now, is there any number by which 4 and 5 are divisible apart from 1? So 1 for the 4, 1 5 is a 5. So if we go with 2, this it we 2 2 is 4, but we cannot divide 5 by 2. So here we can say that this 4 and 5 both are divisible by only 1 now. So this is the situation where we call it as a simplest form of fraction. We cannot further divide it by any common factor other than 1. So 1 is always a common factor for any two numbers. We know that. So let's take this example 60 and 45. 60 upon 45. So let's start identifying by which both of them are divisible. So if you are good with divisibility test and if you are good with tables, it becomes very easy to simplify this and get it to the simplest form. So 60 and 45. This is divisible by 2 because it's an even number, but 45 is not divisible by 2. Then let's take 3. 60, 6 plus 0 is 6, so which is divisible by 3, and 4 plus 5 is 9, which is also divisible by 3, as per the divisibility test of 3. So these both are divisible by 3. So let's divide both of them by 3. So 60 divided by 3, 3 to the 6, 300. So numerator become 20, 45. 3 1 is 3, 1 remaining, 3 5 is 15. So 3 into 15 is 45. Now once we get this next fraction 20 upon 15, find out what is the common factor for 20 and 15. So if you know the table of 5, it becomes very easy. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 15. Sorry, 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. So now try to find out if there is any number apart from 1 by which this 4 and 3 are divisible. So do we have any such a number by which we can divide 4 and 3 completely apart from 1? No. So here we need to stop and I understand that this is the simplest form of 60 upon 45 because we cannot divide this numerator and denominator other than 1. There is no common factor other than 1. So 4 by 3 is answer for 60 upon 45. Let's look at the next fraction 54 upon 68. So here both the numbers are even. So we can just divide it by 2. Whenever any number is even, it's divisible by 2. So divide 54 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14. So that become 27. 68. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now check 27 is divisible by which number? Let's say 3. 3 9s are 27. But is this divisible by 3? No. So do we have any other factor of 27 and 34 apart from 1? No, we don't have any other factor. So this is nothing but the simplest form of 54 upon 68. Let's look at the next number, next fraction, 56 upon 84. So now here you can divide this by 2, 2 into 28, that become 56, 2 into 42, that will become 84. This is one way. But if you are good with the tables, like you should be good with tables from 1 to 30, so that by looking at the number, you can guess by which number that number is coming in which table basically. So if you look at 56 and if you are aware of the table of 14, you know that 14 4s are 56. And just check whether the denominator 84, 14 5s are 70, 14 6s are 84. So we can say that that is coming in the table of 14. 14 4s are 56. So basically we are dividing this both the numbers by 14. So it is not required you need to divide by 2 only, 3 only or 10 only. You can divide it by any number any biggest number, whatever you can think of, so that your calculation become easy. 14 fours are 56, 14 six are 84. Now 4 and 6. Is there any common factor for 4 and 6? Yes. 2, it's divisible by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. Now, is there any other common factor than 1 for 2 and 3? No. So at this point, we have to stop and we can say that 2 by 3 is nothing but the simplest form of 56 upon 84. Let's look at the next problem. 91 upon 117. So here, is it divisible by 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? Yeah, you can divide this by 7. If you know 13 sevens are 91. So 7, if you divide by 7, 91, you get 13. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Try for this number also. 117. 7 1 is 7. 7 6 is 42. Is it divisible? No. So again, we cannot take it. So even though this 13 7 is 91, but we are not able to divide this number by 7. So we cannot divide it by 7. Now 7 into 13 is 91. We got it. So 13 sevens are 91. And if you write, if you just do the table of 13 further, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117. So that becomes 7 upon 9. So 13 sevens are 91, 13 nines are 117. So you keep dividing the number till you don't, that is not divisible apart from 1. So now we come to a situation where 7 and 9 is there. Is it divisible by 1? Yes. After that, is there any number by which they are divisible? 2, 3, 4? No. So 7 by 9 is the simplest form of 91 by 117. Thank you.